What's up world, I'm Julian and today I'm at the junkyard to grab some parts for her car. But luckily we have an all red Aveo right here that's going to completely help out with everything we need to do. So as no one probably knows is on her Aveo, get this out of the way, this thing is broken, these wires and whatnot. But yeah, I replaced the wires on her car and under here, the spark plugs and whatnot. But now I have to get under it and where is it? That thing right there. I need that. So we're gonna try to peel all this off and see what it looks like. All right, so now I already took out this top for this and this one. I'm gonna remove this one a little bit deeper in there. So I put my, don't wanna lose that. Ginormous forklift. Place very active on a Saturday morning when the weather's 60 some odd degrees. Right. Alright, so now whatever this piece is, I have it off and it's mine. Go to my bucket. Now I have to remove this clamp. That's gonna be right. I do not have you have a knife on you?
No.
Damn, I need a knife. Now I'm just gonna steal this wheel and I'll be all set. Wow. 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 Yeah, this is not gonna work.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
What a nice guy.
Came off easy, look. Now we're gonna look for a Ford Fiesta. Camera, see the wizard.
Oh, that one's pretty colored. It's like a teal, aquamarine.
With this one, I've seen better days. Ooh, what is this yellow thing?
A vintage with the top off.
Let's see. Here they have this yellow monster and this thing. I have no idea what these cars are, but I'm sure PJ, you know exactly what this is. But Candace, they got some tow trucks for you. They got the little, some stuff, the little winch, whatever you call it. Ooh, I'm about to take this right now. So I've made it back home and I have purchased new rim and inside my little bucket here, this piece. Do not know what it's called, but I needed it. And this thing. Do not know what it's called, but I needed it. So I'm gonna take these two over to the purple Aveo. Alright, so now hopefully this will just go right inside those three right there. And this wire will go inside there, but I have to take it off from right there. So I have lost my lovely assistant. As you can see, I just put that right on through there. Use this connector piece. It goes right to the bottom. If I can find the hole. Snap, crackle, pop. Now to put this back on, but I'm gonna put some gloves on because I don't want to get dirty. So now I have put that back in there. Now I have to remember how these things go. But I'm gonna put that one right here. If I can get it in. All right, so now hopefully the car will start. So I put the harnesses back in, that's back, batteries attached, this is on here. Now hopefully the part I just bought will start the car. So April, go for it. One more time, one more time. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nothing. So now it's one day later and I did a couple things to it. I actually tightened the spark plug wires on, had that tightened, had the battery, actually put that back on there really good. And also I replaced the tire. So now I'm gonna go grab our handy assistant to see if we can get this car started. Okay, so now like I said, I put wires back in, that's all attached, batteries on there. I just dropped the car off the jacks, new tire rim, keep air in it, and then I have the lovely assistant inside. So, try to fire it up. Oh my goodness, it is alive. What is that? Alright, now we'll see this. If it will drive. Alright, let's do this. Woo-hoo, that boy cold, cuz. Woo-hoo. I do burn up. So I just let it idle up for about 10 minutes. Probably should put that cover back on. But we have tire deflated light, no check engine light, that's good. And we have 108,000 miles. Alright, so I'm gonna put on the brake, throw it in drive, and we are moving. So now I'm going to see if I can do a quick pull and see how the car treats me. Oh wow, it's actually holding up on the clear, beautiful Sunday. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is the Purple Avail. Next time you see it, I will be peeling this off for the new color. But yeah, stay tuned. But until next time, peace.